Good morning. Here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Tuesday, February 18th. That graphic is not correct, but we can fix that. February 18th, a high of 38 degrees today. We got some patchy fog early this morning. Most of that has already started clearing up, but if you're headed out early this morning, especially in rural areas, perhaps some patchy fog again. Clouds this morning, eventually making our way to seeing some sunshine later in the day. Clear skies tonight, a low of 19, and then mostly sunny skies tomorrow, a high of 33. 36 degrees as we get the day started here in Chambana. We are surrounded by mid-30s. We do have some slightly cooler air working its way into the region. Chambana located right about there. Here you see it coming in from the Canadian Prairie. Really well-defined cold front here, still lingering up in the Dakotas, crossing the border into the U.S., but this will make its way in here midweek, giving us slightly cooler temperatures here during the day tomorrow and Thursday, but we'll warm back up as we head into the weekend. Chambana is this glowing dot right here as we look at the Midwest satellite picture. Again, you're seeing all sorts of clouds over the area right now, but if you look just off to the northwest, plenty of clear skies as this area of high pressure makes its way south into the region. You can take another look here. Storm system making its way off to the north, cloud cover associated with that, slowly making its way off to the south and to the east. We'll eventually make our way to seeing some sunshine as we get into the later part of the day. Now, as we head forward into the later part of the week and into the weekend, we'll be watching high pressure coming down from the Canadian Prairie. That was what brings in the cooler temperatures, but also brings in the much quieter weather here as we head all the way into the weekend. High pressure slowly making its way across the region. It's not until the end of the loop there. Let me go ahead and show you. So again, high pressure slides in. We're on Wednesday now, getting into Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, another thing you can see here, as we go back to here to Wednesday and Thursday, clockwise flow around this area of high pressure, northerly flow in the state of Illinois. That's what brings in the cooler temperatures here midweek. As we head into Thursday and now into Friday and Saturday, high pressure off to the southeast, clockwise flow around that now, coming back out of the southwest. So that's what leads to the warm-up as we head into the later part of the week, into the weekend. Then as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we start to see low pressure develop here across the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas. This, in some fashion or another, will slide into parts of the Ohio River Valley, bringing us our next chance for precipitation across the region. And taking a look at the upper-level jet stream pattern, again, watching this trough make its way through. This is what brings in the cooler temperatures. As we head into the later part of the week, we see high pressure move in. Here's the ridge. Again, we see the inverted U shape in the jet stream, allowing warmth to build underneath that ridge, turning warmer across the Midwest. And then as we head into the middle part, or the early to middle part of next week, we see a trough once again develop across the middle section of the country, bringing cooler temperatures and unsettled weather back with it. We can see the response here at the surface. We're looking at the moisture content within the atmosphere. And again, you can see the clockwise flow around that area of high pressure doing something like this. Let me go ahead and we'll take the drawings, do something like this. And let me step back and just watch the overall flow of the atmosphere kind of churn here. Right there, you see it kind of sloshing, keeping the dry air pushed into the south. And then as we get to the end of the weekend into early next week, there we see the transition where high pressure moves off to the southeast. This now allows moisture to begin returning across the central U.S. We develop low pressure here across the central and southern plains. That aids then in drawing that warm, moist air northward, bringing in another shot of cooler air on the back side. So taking a look at the precipitation forecast then, we'll go ahead and mark Champaign-Urbana, central Illinois. We're spending a lot of time on this very non-news weather forecast, but watching high pressure sink into the region here as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, now into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, still dry. It's as we get into Sunday night into Monday, we'll look for our next chance of some precipitation in the region. Again, looking at the temperatures then, we'll bring it back as this front moves through, dropping us a little bit below average as we head into the middle and late part of the week. Watching temperatures trend back above average as we head into the weekend. A look at your 5-day forecast then. Mostly sunny, 33 for the day tomorrow. Some clouds in the region on Thursday. The coolest day of the week, a high of only 27. We quickly rebound for the weekend, 35 on Friday, mid-40s for Saturday and Sunday, with the chance of rain showers moving in late in the day Sunday into the day on Monday.